Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. Anyways, in today's installment, we're gonna wash the van and talk to you guys. So I have a power washer, you know, because on my flyer, I mentioned that I also do anything for the power washing. You clean driveway, you can clean wall, fences, and the list goes on and on and on. So today now, I just wash my van. I dig. I give my van a little scrub out up dub. And Nick was supposed to come join me. I don't know if you guys remember my old friend Nick Kwan. Tell me I'm just wash off a vehicle then to the fair road tomorrow. So yeah, let's get on with the vlog. So I know this have a cushy.
You have rag on it?
Oh, you know, can you can.
Oh, no.
So that have to turn on. Hold on, one day if it have to choke. So on. No. Yeah. Alright. So that's choking. Right. Yo, I'm gonna show me a dinner. Yo, just anybody want to call me out, call me. So we are turning on. What is that? Then
Do you feel the pressure there, guys?
You're supposed to hold on on this, right? You're supposed to. There. You're supposed to.
Oh shit. That doesn't sound good.
And I guess that.
Your battery dead. Hear me like idiot about battery.
I can't guess that. I guess to get shaking at you. Alright.
Mine explode playing. Come Ismash, come.
Hold on.
Show them say yeah, Corona General.
Oh. I guess this, right?
Yeah.
So I can't let that. Oh. Alright, stay tuned. Stay tuned. And we're up and ready again. Hold it.
What's the problem, bro? Oh, we have one tab up on here or something.
Brother, we don't know.
Alright, second time, third time's a charm.
This make it gas a flow. Psych! So we see gas in there.
So what the problem?
Guys, is that gas? Because we're not on a gas in the gas station close. That's all like gas.
Sounds like a sharp on gas, bro.
Alright, I'm not sure. Stay tuned again. Jesus. Damn. So as Nikan say, the good news is that we lift the vlog another day. Friday.
But unfortunately,
They have no gas. Yo, me did I hope the gas still in there, you know.
man take it put things on a chance. You want to say faith, by faith.
Yes, it's true. Mr. Gas another card here.
Oh, so it was automatic.
Yeah, man, I say, alright, gas in here, I can come up here and do some crime. But boy, zero gas, so.
I could have buy a little gallon or something.
Yo, I could have do that. And just load him up and running. Because so far, he sound good in and kick all smoke when I go sleep.
That affect the pressure to see me.
I guess, though.
Yeah.
John, because a 3,100 PSI and a 1,300 PSI.
So you probably need a full tank of gas for us.
So guys, yo, I'm looking at my truck, yo. Look at that. Yo, where that? Look at that. We can't use the hose and get rid of that.
Nah, let's have to wait for another day.
I just do a simple wash out today. What do you think about that?
Yeah, let's see.
Alright guys, so unfortunately we're not on a power wash footage. My fault, blame me. Should have got a gas station, go pick up a gallon or
blame him, you know.
Or a liter. Something. So another day when I say turn on the machine on the beast. So for the vlog you know, I have just legit work with the pipe pressure.
You're not too bad.
It's not really bad, but we do have more pressure. I want to get to all that, so
you can't do that by hand.
Can't do that by hand, so let's get it. So far, I've been doing the best I can. I don't know you guys wash vehicle in your neck of the woods, but this is how we do it without power washer. See them, I don't know how I'm gonna get rid of that. Let's get it. Big truck, big rewards. What do you guys? I know I never introduce you guys to the truck. What is it? And I used to the car, the Honda. But that long gone. This is my driver now. One truck, you get me? In a construction, I must get one truck. This would have been much easier with the power washer. But trust me, like this has been 5 minutes so far, and 5 horrible minutes. Feel like torture. Torture. Let me know in the comment section how many of you guys own a pickup truck and what type of pickup truck do you guys own. For the people that live in America, who never see this type of pickup truck before, because unfortunately these type of pickups aren't in, this type of youth aren't in the United States of America. You get me? So let me know what type of pickups you guys drive. You know, leave it down in the comment section. And let's get this video popping. You dig? Alright. This is a man's work. So females, show them what you got. You gotta take up the label, you dig? You gotta take up the label and wash your vehicle on your own, boy. Alright, it's time for me to soap down the monster, the machine, and then rinse it off and get out of this place. It's not easy. Whew. Fun facts, if you got any car wash, or ask any car wash guy, or whatever they call themselves, how you wash a vehicle, they say they can't tell you, say, you do the top part of the vehicle first, and then do the bottom part last. Don't make them wash your car. Come close, let me tell you why. If you look for the vehicle, you see a lot of grains on the lower half of the vehicle. Like stones, you know, small stones or whatever, deposit, whatever. Like it's when you wash, more of them on the bottom than the top. So, and the top part, alright, you did bottom part before you did top part, you see the stone there, then it's going to whatever rag you use or material you use to wash your car. You take up all of that and use them fine grains there, you scratch your vehicle. You carry them fine grains and scratchy and scratchy and scratchy. Because them a fine aggregate, you call it. But then fine, and you scoop it up and you scratch your vehicle. That's when you look on some vehicles, it's some swirls. And because they start from down here, so you carry it up and scratch your vehicle. So you heard it here first, if you don't know already. So no washing a vehicle. Let's get it. Now you can. It's not easy, though.
Yeah.
I'm in a foot enough to wipe down. And another thing is that you're not supposed to make the soap dry for your vehicle. Not supposed to make the soap dry on it. Yo, after I done wash this, probably still have to go get car wash. Yeah. Feel like I do a terrible job.
No, you say it's not so easy.
Yeah, easy.
Sometimes some man did there and they're working nice and
yeah, me have a machine, the shell, man. The machine that have gas in there. Done.
You see with the machine, you just run off with the water once. Use the soap. And
you can make one, you can kind of make one wash because power wash machine take off the whole a fine thingy them, stone or whatever.
Yeah.
So we could make one wash. But no. Yo, I did ask them. I ask them, wow, drive pick up. Because I make them know that pick up around the world now. When I drive pick up, you're alone.
Yeah. Trust me, guys, I get it a lot. Trust me.
Yo,
Trust me.
real men drive pick up.
See you later.
Okay. Learn that. Everything you heard here first. Real men drive pickups of females. If you're talking to a guy who drive a little beady, puny car, you know that. That thing, is it called a car? I think it's a car, it's called. I don't know what those are.
They look them or them.
They look something them when I see people
drive. They look a fridge car them.
Can't go in a 4-wheel drive. You know they look something there?
Yeah.
If you females have a guy who drive one of that, listen, cheat on him for you.
Pickup. And not just any pickup, diesel.
If it ain't diesel, he's a weasel.
That's how they go.
You know why real men are men in particular prefer diesel than gasoline? You know why?
Why?
Take one guess.
Kind of have a slow day today. You have to just give me an answer, you know.
I'll get more per mileage. Wait, it's not a myth, you know?
It's not a myth?
It's not a myth.
Oh, it's a facts. No cap.
No cap. We'll get more per mileage.
And you know, so this breakdown of the machine is kind of a blessing in disguise, because as a construction man, you know, when things break down on the site, you can't go tell the people them say, yo, I hit that for you and you have to improvise, you know. So
yo,
you reaching this far is a kind of a great job.
So when on site, as a for instance, you have vehicle breakdown, and you tell a real mechanic say, a site you depend on if you can work on a gasoline vehicle. Don't you sit back or sit down and wait for that mechanic to come. Because by penal code 33450 say no construction man should drive a gasoline vehicle. So by law, no mechanic not supposed to go up on a site, a construction site, and go work on a gasoline vehicle. By law. You feel a joke?
That's an actual thing? Wait, that's for real?
Yo,
That's for real?
again, we say real men drive diesel.
Let me get that real quick. Wait. So the L200. Let me skip over. What I say?
Diesel.
Why apart from them say? Why apart from them say?
So come on, real. Listen. Real men drive diesel. I can't talk about it no more. Real men drive diesel. Fake men, wannabe men drive a weasel. If it's not diesel, it's a weasel. And females, you don't want a guy who drive a weasel. That guy we make.
My car left your road, babes.
You
Hear that, baby?
Yo, sometimes I see someone that drive some weasel. I say, yo, what man for do that to himself? What kind of discreet, where universe do to him? We put him in a position for drive a weasel. Eh? For drive a weasel. I can't bet when I pull up on him girl halfway and see gas light turn on.
Yo, bro.
And him have to call her and say, babe, I can't make it because gas light turn on.
Yo, bro, you know the sexiest thing I ever see?
Hold on there. In a diesel, what's the gas light? It's like, we see a little bit less than a full tank. It just means we're not full.
Yo,
So we're not going to push it, you know.
Yo, Ismash, you know the sexiest thing I see other day I drive pan
See a new diesel.
the stretch, you see it? I'ma pull up at a stoplight and one girl pull up side of me and I want VW. You know look at 2 rack them, you see it? A diesel variant.
And a diesel a good vehicle.
I say, and the girl pull up and you hear the look of chocolate in her car. I look over and one nice bro and I look back for me and I say, yo.
How when you did that, Jeff?
Bro, I don't even want to talk about it, bro. Don't even want to talk about it.
You know, so she not going to get time idea, though.
I realize she just hold her head straight and gone. I get her one smile, but that's it.
Give me a check. Millennium, a vehicle.
Bro, then say Honda get be a girl number, but you know the L200
Honda
there.
come in a diesel?
Boy,
That's a myth.
bro, you know have to do me saying that, bro. Come on.
That's a myth. Can't get be a girl number. If it ain't diesel, it ain't right. Anyway,
Wah.
fun and joke aside, there's no fun and joke.
No
If it
cap.
ain't diesel, he's driving a weasel.
Bro, you don't have to tell him again. Oh God, bro. They must hear. If they're not here, they must feel. Cause girl them go pull up and say, boy, you're not real.
You're an artist now. Yo, because I can't do no Shavon.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down,
Beauty and the Beast.
you still raising.
Beauty and the Beast.
Even when I look aside, she guides me.
Yeah, I've seen a statue like that once.
That's what we do on gasoline driven vehicle.
What you say?
Gasoline people, come at me. Come at me.
Yeah, man, just a shit pan gasoline today, man.
Come at me.
Adam, bro.
If you don't want to drive a gasoline vehicle, I might come from a gasoline vehicle. But you know what they say? But once you go black.
I don't know what I say that all.
Boy.
I would not know.
Yes,
But
yes.
I'm sure your female followers have heard about that before.
It's not black empress, brother. Once you ever get to know the thing.
That's not true, that's not true.
Ever get to know the thing. You know what I call that one here?
Oh, Black Mamba.
They
Gorilla.
call it Black Ice Girl at one point, you know.
Oh,
No,
so,
an airport girl, one of them.
oh, so it's a girl.
Yes, I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Yes, sir.
Them say, when you have a vehicle where vehicle tend to run into, you have a female vehicle. When you have a vehicle where you tend to run in a vehicle, you have a male vehicle.
You're in charge of the road.
So
basically.
far, I have a female vehicle.
Oh, so that's why BMW owners have such a bad rep.
I normally run into or run.
Is it?
Or get run into.
How is that get run into?
Female vehicle. Final product. Welcome to Dashan's aka Ismash's car wash tutorial. Come along, people. So you don't have to use this traditional, no, non-traditional power wash, blah 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 foolishness. You got these. This is where it started. This is where history started. And this is where history will end. Come on. So, don't mind the bed. Never get to wash the part there. Because this is a whole nother story. Now, other thing. Is it spunking clean? Big body girl. Isn't she a beauty?
Oh, song go, isn't she lovely?
You ever hear song go? You can text my girl, you can smoke my blunt, you can drink my liquor, you can scoff these Jordans, but don't touch my truck.
Oh, yeah, hear that? Why am I feel like say you play that song there in your truck?
I never play a go home and I feel hyped. You're having this clean.
Yeah, no, legit guys, you can actually see my reflection. Look, cameraman, you can see the reflection. Wow, you did a good job.
Alright, so in order to reach me to wash a vehicle, you can look in your girl's phone and look for the guy that washes store as the guy you should not worry about.
Settings.
Let's call that number.
Store as settings.
Our customer care. Anyways, fun and joke aside this time, for reals. Guys, check out my landscaping page on Instagram, Ismash Landscaping. I'm gonna have a flyer somewhere on the screen
Ismash
right
Construction.
now. Landscaping.
Oh, you changed the name.
I'm gonna have a flyer on the screen right now for anybody who live in a St. James, anywhere in Jamaica, for landscaping in particular, like for bay wall or whatever. For anything to do with the lawn care, planting, softscaping, Trelawney, St. James, Hanover. That's the thing there. Contact me, call me, my number up on the flyer. Don't call me for call me sake. I really depend on there and just let me know what I want. As I say, send me an email if anything and just mother up thing. Team Ismash, thanks for watching this vlog. It's your boy, Ismash, and I'm out.
Looking for myself, I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow?